I am now going to show you how you can quickly build a web application from this notebook to show the result to anyone who you want to share it with. So this application has been built using H2O Wave. It's an open source framework to build web application in Python and in R also. And you can go on the website here if you want for more detail. Once created, the app can be published easily on H2O Cloud, for example, in the App Store. So let's check the app now. So we are following the same steps as in the notebook. First, we need to connect to H2O GPTe via the Python client. So here I am pasting my API key to connect, and we are now connected. So let's start using the model. Here I am using the same data as Greg, and again we want to extract for each question the top 10 topics from the answers. So I also want to plot a chart to have visual results. So here we have the two questions that we're asking the plot, and let's select the first one, for example, why do you want to lose weight? In the background, the app is sending all the answers to these questions to H2O GPTe. And we are asking the model to find the top topics for those reviews and also the occurrences of each topic. So you see here in the plot, we find the same topics that we saw previously in the UI and also in the notebook. And for example, overall well-being is the top topic mentioned by the respondents. If we select the second question, we will have a similar plot but different result. So this app really allows any non-technical user to get an automatic analysis of each question of the survey. And having that kind of dynamic charts means that we need a formatted output of the LLM. So I'm going to show you the script, but basically here to have a very standard output, what we need to do is a bit of prompt engineering. So we ask the LLM to output the result as a Python dictionary, and we showed it an example also of the output that we want. And in H2O GPTe 1.5, you will be able to ask for a specific format for your outputs to make sure that you have consistent output, which is really crucial when you develop an app or if you want to automatize your work. So let me quickly show you the script that is generating this app. It's a short script. It's less than 200 lines where you define the UI, also the trigger the action triggered by the user on the app. And here you see that, like in the notebook that you just saw, we are asking the connection. We are sending some information regarding the connection. So here, this is this part in the app. Another interesting thing to show is also the parameters that we send to H2O GPT. So for example, here, the LLM that we are choosing, the question that is being sent with the format that we'd like, and also all the data that correspond to all the answers we are sending to H2O GPT. So this demo app is a real simple app to start, for example, a potential tool, or to demonstrate and also to demonstrate to you how easily it is to transform what you have in a notebook into a web application and to share your work. So Wave apps are highly personalizable, so you can really add many different charts, aggregate, transform your data. And for example, using the same type of data, an app I created is the review analysis app. So you have it here. Here you can create different reports. You are able to see many different things with different charts like trends. You can also select, filter your data, and so on, download reports around topics and sentiment for specific reviews.